in Middletown at First and Last Tavern. We're going to hold a paradise auction as an emergency liquidation auction. It's going to include booths, tables, chairs, high chairs, bar stools, bar equipment, kitchen equipment, lots of pictures, all this patio furniture, even the gates, glass door, refrigerators, ultrashams, coffee equipment, banquet tables, catering smallwares, pizza ovens, pizza prep tables, pasta stations, fryers, grills, everything in the kitchen, the bar, and the entire dining room with newly reupholstered booths, heavy wood posts, really elegant booths for any restaurant, lots of tables and chairs. First and Last Tavern of Middletown. The Middletown location only is being liquidated. Come to a paradise auction. See you soon.